Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cracking down on how you can mark tasks as complete on Todoist with a complete guide for 2025. Todoist is a powerful tool that's all about boosting your productivity, and ticking off those tasks is key to tracking your progress. So let's get started. First, log into your Todoist account. This is your starting point, the gateway to your tasks. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and easy. Now, you're in your dashboard where you can see all of your tasks. This is where the magic happens, where you can manage and organize your tasks. Next up, find the task you want to mark as complete. You should have a list of tasks in front of you, whether they're personal errands or work-related projects. The reason we do this is to find the exact task we want to mark as complete. Look for the little circle next to the task. That's your target. Now that we've found our task, click on that little circle. This helps us because it's the trigger to mark the task as complete. It's like a digital version of crossing something off your to-do list. It feels good, doesn't it? But let me explain why this matters. When you mark a task as complete, Todoist takes note. It's not just about the satisfaction of ticking something off. It's about tracking your productivity, seeing what you've achieved, and understanding where your time goes. That's the power of Todoist. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is updating your task status and your productivity score. It's showing you that you're making progress, that you're getting things done. And that's why we use tools like Todoist, isn't it? And there you have it. You've marked a task as complete on Todoist. It's as simple as that. Remember, Todoist is all about productivity, and every task you complete is a step towards your goals. So, keep ticking off those tasks and see your productivity skyrocket. That's all for today's guide on how to mark tasks as complete on Todoist. Stay productive and see you next time on the channel.